I turned this completely unused backyard into a cozy sit out, and the transformation is worth watching.
Hi, I'm Soumya, and we'll see our backyard transformation today.
The space had been lying unused for months. No seating, no lighting, nothing inviting. Just an empty backyard with so much potential. So I planned a simple cozy transformation, budget friendly, maintenance friendly, and perfect too for evening chai and weekend relaxation. I started with the basic layout. Step one was cleaning and creating a fresh base and the kind of tiling that we wanted, and that alone made this space look 50% better. These tiles actually pulled the space together very beautifully. Reused this old plant stand just by spraying and giving it a new life, and used it at a space which looked a little ugly to hide it nicely. Added a lots of greenery because greenery was very much required here as it adds a lot of freshness and life to any area. Added more greenery to give a nice beautiful backdrop to the main seating. Kept the seating simple and flexible by adding these bamboo furniture pieces, a three-seater, two-seaters, and some ottomans to create like cozy seating for 8-10 people. Soft textures instantly make outdoor spaces feel cozy. An outdoor rug helps define the seating area very well. You can choose one which is washable for outdoor. I kept the decor neutral and earthy, small details that bring space to life. Layering cushions and furnishing makes the space comfortable and welcoming. So I've used these beautiful prints with the solid colors and a matching runner to add that warmth and that detailing element to this area. So lighting completely changes the mood of an outdoor space. Warm lights create a soft and golden evening glow.
Even after setting up everything, there were two walls left, this wall and that wall. We needed something here, some bright element. And since we have black and white as a major theme, I thought of adding some nice terracotta tiles that I saw online. And
Came out really beautiful except a few breakages which we fixed with the help of eraldite. My little one also helped. I placed these tiles on wall in an asymmetrical pattern to create a sense of interest. And this is how my backyard finally turned out. This is an evening view, and honestly, we love to be at this place at any hour of the day, at any weather, be it winters, spring, or light summers. You will find me always sitting here only at this place. This is such a lively, beautiful, and inviting space to be in. And these little details add so much warmth and so much character to this whole space. Also, the small decor elements that you see here are not always there. We keep them here whenever we have a gathering or whenever we want to have that cozy feel. So, from unused to truly unforgettable space.
thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe. I have many more coming. And if you have any queries regarding maintenance, budget, or anything about this transformation, you can write it on comment. I will try and answer it. And please share it with your friends and family because I have many more coming. And every Sunday, I'm going to post one long form like this one. Thank you.